Previous lesson, we solved some questions under files and folders. In today's lesson, we'll be solving questions under file extension. Let's take a look at the first question for the day. So our first question for the day is for us to define file extension. If you could remember, in our previous lesson, I made a recap on the definition of file extension. If you have forgotten, follow me whilst we solve this question. Please take critical note of these answers. So the first question is, what is file extension? So file extension are string of characters characters that is attached to a file name. So this is the definition of file extension. They are a string of characters that is attached to a file name. Let's move on to our next question for the day, which is give the default extension for the following file. So question 2. We are to give the default extension for the following file format. We have MS Word, which is A. B, we have the WordPad. C, we have Excel. D, we have PowerPoint. And E, which is the last one, we have image. So now let's move on to the first one with A, MS Word. Docs. Please don't forget it. When you're writing the extension, it starts with a what? A dot. B, WordPad. .txt. C, Excel. We have .xls. D, PowerPoint. We have .ppt. And E, image. We have .jpg. So these are the answers to the questions for today. We've defined file extension, and we've also looked at the default extension for the file format. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at some acronyms. We'll be solving some acronyms. See you in the next lesson.